Welcome. In this video, you learn how to get the open, high, low, and close prices of a given symbol. To get started, you open your meta editor and you go to new, expert advisor, or you could create a script. And in this case, we're opening an expert advisor called OHLC to represent open, low, high, and close prices. Alright, you go to next, and finish. So what you're going to change is just the onType function. So we are going to declare our variables. To declare the variables means to tell the system to create space for these variables in its memory. So we're going to say open, close, high, and low. I think that's it. So to get our values, we are going to get them using this simple function. Open is equal to I open. We do like this. Symbol, current symbol. Time frame, we are going to use the current time frame. For the shift, for example, we count backwards. For the current bar, it's 0. The most previous one is 1. Then the others are 2, 3. Just we count backwards. For example, if we want the most recent one, we're going to use 1. To get these other prices, for the close, we are going to do the same thing. We just make changes. We're going to call this close and do I close. For the high, the same thing. High, I high. For the low, we're going to use I low. For the low, we're going to use I low, and that's it. So if we want to display our prices, for example, on the screen, to see if our values are correct, we can use a function called comment. We're going to create everything on a new line. So we use \n, which allows us to create new text, to create text on a new line. So we're going to say open, and then this other value is this other space is for the real value. This, for example, can say open, and then we display the open price. So we're going to say open. Then for the others, for example, close, we're going to use close, and then we display the current close, the previous close price. For the high, we are going to use the same thing, high, and high, and for the low, we say low. That's it. If we are finishing, we just use a closing bracket, and then we this semicolon. I think that's it. If we want to round off the values, we use normalized double. So open, high, low, close prices. I think this is it. It's taking long to load. Yes. So the open price, if we can look, let's just make this bigger. The open price of the previous bar, not the current bar, was 26285. 26285. Or 8, it opened from this side up, this bar. Just let me use a larger one. For this one, yeah, it's the open is at 26148, yes, and the close is 26285. at 202. Yes, you can see the send to the high and also to the low. And yes, this is a simple code to help you get the open and close prices. That's it. Thank you for watching.